Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Covering the most important thing, that is how to use the tool which we have just learned, that is CPR by choice option. Okay, so when you just go into the when you just go into TradingView, what exactly you need to do is you just need to go to the I've already implemented over here, but let's just cut it and I will just show you how you can do it. Okay, so USD CPI. Okay, so let's so what you're going to do is you just need to go to filter, just type CPR by choice options. Okay, once you do that, you will find this link over here. Just click on it and automatically this will get embedded on it. And what exactly you need to do now, there are a lot of settings which can actually help you make this much more beautiful, which we have provided. That is, you can just need to go to settings. You can see my cursor over here, and once you go over there, what you need to do is, since this Camarilla pivots and MWD highs and low, these are kind of important things, and generally if you don't really know the concept behind it, and if you don't really understand the trading setups where Camarilla pivots and monthly daily high lows are considered, then you should avoid it and just use the display floor pivots. Just uncheck this and just go to style, and the most important pivot levels are, first one is pivot, and if you want to make it more attractive, then just increase the thickness and just change it to circle. It looks way more better because I personally like it that way. Obviously it's your choice how you gonna like it. Okay, so TC stands for top CPR and BC stands for bottom CPR. Okay, so just change it, and R1 is very important, so thickness of R1, change it circle. R1, change R2 as well, because R2 is stands very, I mean R2 has its own importance. So R3 is not important, R4 is not really that important, but S1 is. Actually R3 and R4 are actually very important, but it's only when you actually understand the concept behind it. If you really know how you can actually utilize those things in your trading setup, because you don't know it, text us on WhatsApp, we will help you understand it. And if you want to learn it, then obviously you can join our diamond membership. All the details have been provided on our website, that is www.choiceoption.in. you can just go on over here. You can find our number as well, 9503139578. You can just note it down and you can text us anytime. Okay, so just change your S1 thickness increased, and yeah, circle. S2 as well, thickness increased and circle. Okay, and just okay. So now you can see it looks way more better, and since it's a wider CPR, that's the reason market has been moving sideways. You can see it very clearly, market has been moving sideways. Okay, so there hasn't been any strong breakout. Once there was, and here's a strong demand zone which has been created earlier, and the same demand zone has been obeyed over here as well. The new people who have actually come into the stock market recently, they call it as the, I mean, the lame language, that is, there is a support over there. Okay, so it is also called as a supply zone. Okay, so you can see, and I will make a new video where I will help you understand what exactly is supply and demand zone, what is accumulation phase, what is distribution phase, and what is breakout. Okay, so this is how the trading is done, and thanks a lot. And if you have any doubt, you are always welcome to text us and we will help you understand it. And obviously we have our site over here. You just need to go to our site and have your information. And obviously the best thing to do is just text us on WhatsApp on this number, that is 95031 39578. Thank you so much.